So as you know, I'm a big fan of interplanting and successional sowings and growing over winter and all of that sort of thing. And all of those elements kind of come together with what I've been doing today, which is interplanting spinach into my field bean beds. So I'm just going to talk you through that because I think it's always interesting to sort of see how this works in practice. Right now I need a lot of field beans because I'm going to be mainly harvesting those in December, January, February and March, but in particular they're at the most useful in mid-December through to mid-February, which is the time of year when the spinach, the true spinach, really isn't growing that fast, but the field beans just keep on growing through that period. And we're harvesting them even with frost on the ground. They're just a fantastic crop to harvest in the depths of winter. But of course they grow quite slowly, so I need loads of them in order to have a good harvest during that time of year. Right now I've basically got 4 beds of field beans, and that's just enough for that depth of winter harvest. But come late February and March and early April, I'm going to have way too many of them. And so what I've done right now is I've interplanted them with other crops so that as I start to get a surplus of them, I can start clearing those beds. And what I'll be left with is a bed of garlic and a bed of onions and a bed of spinach, true spinach. And so my theory is that just at the time when my true spinach is starting to regrow, so that's early March time, that's when I'll be cutting the tops off the field beans, leaving the roots in, and a bed that is currently a bed of field beans will suddenly become a bed of true spinach. So that's the theory anyway. We'll see how it works. I've given them a little bit of protection because right now it's quite very windy at the moment, and so newly planted seedlings, they need some protection from the wind. And yeah, I'm hoping that this interplanting strategy with the field beans works really nicely. I don't know whether it will. There's some concern that the root exudates from the alliums, so the onions and the garlic, will interfere with the growth of the field beans, and that's definitely a scientific reality. But I'm not sure whether it'll be true with this interplant, because really the onions aren't going to, and the garlic isn't going to grow very much at the time that I need the field beans, so over winter. And when the onions and the garlic really kick into growth in sort of March, April time, that's when I don't really need the field beans. So we'll see anyway whether this, it's not a myth, it's a reality that onions interfere with beans, with legumes, whether it actually applies over winter. Anyhow, I thought you'd like to see some of these interplanting experiments that I'm doing this year. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.